In July, Libya will hold its first democratic elections in 40 years. As the country looks forward to its future, investors from across the globe are looking at its massive growth potential. Dubai in particular is keen on contributing to Libya's development by investing in various sectors. And at the Future Libya Development Forum, business leaders discussed these opportunities. Khadija Salih has this report.
Business and trade leaders at the Future Libya Development Forum say there will be challenges along the way to Libya's recovery. However, the potential for growth is much more immense. Experts say developing sectors that had been neglected, particularly healthcare, medical and education, are critical to rebuilding the country.
I think the government is mainly going to be interested in the social sectors, so health, education, welfare, because really they've been neglected more than anything else. And so I see new hospitals and schools and facilities and everything else, particularly from those sectors, because the government needs to show the Libyan people that it is working for them and that it will make their lives better, because if it doesn't, it will fail.
The UAE and Libya have long-standing ties. Dubai's non-oil trade with Libya in 2011, for instance, valued at more than 2 billion dirhams. In addition to trade, Dubai Chamber identified areas such as tourism, hospitality, telecommunications, banking and finance as some of the sectors wherein the Emirates' expertise can help.
After that, you will have people coming into Libya. And also people will start investing in many other areas. Of course, we expect the oil and gas to be a major one, because they need the funds to pay back their debts and to pay all of these investments. We see also the roads and constructions is going to take a big chunk of the upcoming rebuilding Libya. We see the services, the financial services, the insurance, the consultancy will be playing a big role in this.
Despite the stagnation of many sectors for decades, Libya's trade relationships with various countries and companies flourished. Many are now looking at expanding this further. Industry interests vary from construction to aviation.
Many pilots from Libya were trained and educated in our training facilities in the past, so we would like to re-establish that and to continue and spread some other areas of our. So we would like to offer help and services in planning any project in the reconstruction of Libya from aviation field, and so for modernization, planning, project realization of some big projects and so on. So our main interest is to go to this market.
Renewables is another sector identified that holds great and untapped potential.
There is a new renewable energy authority in Libya, but they have been on very small scale, just having done some small projects, but there is high potential and European companies are looking into that sector.
The IMF has forecast that Libya's annual real GDP will increase by 70% this year. By 2015, oil production could already return to pre-war levels. At present, everyone is anxiously awaiting the July 7 elections and eventually formation of the new Libyan government. Khadija Salih, 7 National News.